and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Well, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Japan. This came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for discount. This is Nissin UFO Yakisoba. This is a Korean-style Pokkunmyon Carbonara. Creamy carbonara, and that's their little spokes thing. It's kind of, I don't know what that is. It's weird. But yeah, we're gonna cook this sucker up. It's a thing to do on this day, the 3rd? Day the 3rd? I think it is. 5 minutes. I believe it is the 3rd day? 2nd day? Is this the 2nd or the 3rd? It's the 2nd. December 2nd, 2024. Had an enjoyable Thanksgiving on last Thursday. I can't believe we're back to, well, this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I really just do that? I think I did, unless it's under here. I did. So what I just did is I threw the seasoning base in the trash, but I've fished it out. So there. And I need to turn on my forward illumination. This thing was really handy during our big power outage situation. They're like 25 bucks on YouTube or on Amazon. You can mount it to a camera, like a tripod, either side. It's the bottom of it is magnetic, and it stays charged for a while, and it's just a light, but boom, I have light. So it's pretty cool. I used it quite a bit during the power outage action. But yeah, we went up to Anacortes, Washington. That's where my sister lives. We had ham. We had scalloped potato and butter flake rolls. So that was nice. No dessert. Kind of odd, but I don't think anybody even really was worried about that. I ate a lot of ham. There were a lot of cops pulling people over too. They had a big emphasis patrol for drunken folk. I was not one of them, but they did a big emphasis patrol. I was thinking, like, if we get pulled over just so they can make sure that we're not tipsy, I was gonna be like, I ain't had nothing to drink, offer, sure, but I'm well over the legal limit for ham. I ate a lot of ham. So yeah, and then this weekend we decided, well, we're gonna get some junk, and as you can see over there on the top of the door is my doing with. I got some new Christmas lights and some garland and some bowls, and then over here we have the tree. So it's all Christmased out here. We've decked the halls, and yeah, it's good. It's nice. And we're preparing, getting stuff going for my daughter's birthday, which is coming up. It's right before Christmas, which is unhelpful, but you know, it works. And so she's really stoked on that. And looks like it's going to be another trip to Chuck E. Cheese this year. Oh boy. Chuck E. Cheese. That place is weird. But the kids love it. The Ticket Blaster. That's a popular thing. So it's like a little phone booth. You get to go in there and you try to grab as many tickets as you can. And then when you get enough tickets, you go take them over to the guy at the end, which takes a million years because kids can't decide what they want. And then they use their tickets and then they get things. And yeah. But anyways, this is gonna end up being kind of like, it's kind of like a take on Bulldog. Usually you do it in the cup and you drain it with this special fancy lid. But as you can see, I already cut up the cup, so I'm just doing it in the pot. And yeah. I've got some really neat stuff on the way from Nissin Singapore. This is Nissin Japan, of course. Some brand new stuff, which should be arriving at some point, which will be fun to review. So yeah. Oh, and today is Cyber Monday. Granted, not for you. So yeah. Well, let's drain off the noodle, add in the powder, and see what happens. All right. Come and look. Okay. I'm really curious how this one will be. The noodle looks to be a little thicker. And this is supposed to be like a carbo. Whoa, that is some of the strongest fake cheese scent I've ever heard or smelled. Creamy carbonara. Wow. It smells like really spicy Kraft mac and cheese. I've had the packed version of this. It was also in a Nakama noodle box quite a while back. It was interesting. Was it something I really loved and would write home about? No. No. But it was interesting. Am I going to do a mukbang? No. There it is. Cheers. I am fascinated by this. I like this one a lot better than the pack version. It's got a very nice sweetness, very good heat. It's not bad. Quite strong too. A mound of it. Look at that. It's a mound. A little bit of spring onion. A little bit of seed, and I think that's about it for this. Cool. Yeah, I'm fascinated and enthralled. So watch it spin. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we're going to be doing is this Hello Kitty Prince Katsu, which is an offshoot of Asha Dry Noodle. It's a hot and sour noodle soup, and it's pretty good. I've had it already, but I'm going to have it again for the show. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.